All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Josie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind. I'm gonna, let's see. I just don't want her to touch it.
No, I know the feeling.
Molly, you might have to help us blow out.
Molly. Okay, can you and Mary Kate help blow out the candles?
Oh. Ready?
One, two, three. Blow it out.
There you go.
Yay.
Try it again.
Candles to lit.
Do it real hard.
Nice work.
Okay.
Let's have cake.
All right, now.
Everybody's cake.
Whoa.
Now,
Dig in, JoJo.
You are going to eat your bananas by yourself next time.
You can eat it.
Wow. What did you get?
Oh, yummy.
Look
at her, she's eating it with her fingers.
That's all I got.
Get your cake. Look.
Oh, first I'll do that.
Take a bite.
Here.
Eat it with your fingers.
Try a bite.
In your mouth.
Put it in your hair. It wouldn't be your birthday if it wasn't.
She put it on her head.
I'm serious.
You're a mess, Jojo.
You're a mess.
Not even a mess. It looks good. Oh, look at her. She's just got green fingers.
And a green mouse.
Mary Kate, what do you think?
Is that silly?
That's silly. She has pink. And you can lick it like this.
I know, you're like, what the heck?
She's gonna wash your hands with it.
Yay!
Yeah, she's like, I don't like it. Ew.
Good cake night.
Just lick your fingers.
Oh, she didn't want to.
Mary, she's getting more.
Mary, doesn't it look like she has a lipstick?
Mary Kate's like dying.
Yes.
Such a waste, she said. Really?
Mary Kathleen, what would you do if you had
Look at her
that?
tongue. She's like,
I don't even know.
she's in a coma.
Yay, duck cake.
Oh,
There you go,
Josie. There you go, baby girl. Oh,
She put it on.
Yay!
In her ears. Mary Kathleen just had it in her ears. Oh, silly.
Oh, yeah. Want to get closer to the table?
She is covered herself in this.
Okay, stand up a little bit. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh, she's getting it.
You got him now, JoJo. Keep going.
Okay, Mom, you wanted her to... Going, is that what you were going to say?
Jojo.
Look at JoJo. She's green.
Hey, look. It's in her nose. Oh, no.
Not in her nose.
Oh, yay.
But she won't open it.
Yep. She doesn't even put her fingers in her mouth. Just her head. She's wondering about them now.
She's covered in it. You're right. She's covered in frosting. Oh, look at that. Well, now we know you have no extra version like you were saying.
Oh.
Yay. Oh, I love that tiny soap. Oh. Did she get you yet, Mary Kate? When she clapped?